In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bill in QuickBooks Accountant. Entering bills is essential for tracking what you owe to vendors and keeping your accounts payable accurate, so you can plan cash flow and avoid missed payments. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. Make sure you're in the correct firm and working with the right permissions for vendor and expense transactions. Once you're in, open your client's company file. If you're just practicing or want to test the workflow, you can open a sample company instead, so nothing affects real books. Next, look for the New button, typically at the top left or on the left sidebar. Click it to open the list of transaction types. From that list, choose Bill. This screen is designed specifically to record a vendor bill you'll pay later, which is different from entering an expense or writing a check immediately. Now fill in the bill details. Start with vendor, select the vendor from the list or add them if they aren't there yet. Keeping vendor profiles accurate helps with due dates and reporting. Enter the bill date exactly as it appears on the document you received. Then confirm the due date. QuickBooks may calculate this based on the vendor's terms, but always verify it against the bill so your aging reports are correct. For the body of the bill, choose where the cost should go. Use category details if you're posting to an expense account, like utilities or office supplies. Use item details if you're buying specific products or services you track, which lets you enter quantities and rates. If the bill covers multiple purposes, you can split the amounts across the appropriate lines so your reporting stays meaningful. Finally, enter the total amount owed. Double-check for taxes, shipping, or discounts shown on the vendor bill so the total matches. If you have a digital copy, attach it to the bill. Storing the document right on the transaction keeps your audit trail complete and saves time later. Add a clear memo for reference, such as the purpose of the purchase or a project note. Memos make it easy to search and confirm details during reconciliations. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. This records the liability in accounts payable. You haven't paid anything yet. That's intentional. The bill will now appear in your payables, ready for you to settle later, using the Pay Bills feature, keeping your cash flow timing under control and your books accurate.